In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. When working on a project, knowing how tasks relate to one another is critical. Dependencies help clarify which tasks need to be completed before others can start. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step. First, let's start by opening the task. To do this, you'll want to navigate through your dashboard. Find the specific project or folder that you're currently working on. Take a moment to look for the individual task you wish to set a dependency for, and go ahead and click on that task. Once you've clicked on the task, you'll be directed to the detailed task view. Now let's move on to the next step, which involves assigning the task. Look for the Assign section. This is typically located just below the task title or, in many cases, on the right-hand panel of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. After you click Assign, a list of project team members will pop up. This is where you select the person who will be responsible for this task. Just scroll through the list and find the appropriate team member. Once you spot their name, simply click on it to assign them the task. It's that easy. However, what if the person you want to assign isn't already part of your Wrike system? No worries, there's an option for that too. Look towards the bottom of the team list where you'll see an option to invite someone by email. If you need to invite a new person, type in their email address. This will send them an invitation to join your project. It's a great way to ensure that everyone who needs to be involved can participate seamlessly. Now that we have assigned the task, let's talk about adding dependencies specifically. Dependencies are essential for clarifying the order in which tasks need to be completed. To do this, go back to your detailed task view. You can identify dependencies by locating the Dependencies section. Here, you'll often find an option to add a dependency. Click on it and start typing in the name of the task you'd like to create a dependency with. This could be a task that must be completed before the current one can proceed. Wrike will suggest tasks based on what you type, making it easy to find the right one. Once you've identified the task that should be linked, simply click to add it. You can even adjust the dependency type if necessary, choosing whether it's a finish to start, start to start, or any other kind that suits your workflow. It's important to note that managing dependencies in Wrike not only helps in tracking progress effectively, but also contributes to a smoother workflow across your projects. And there you have it. You've now learned how to add dependencies in Wrike and how to assign tasks to team members. This will greatly assist in keeping your projects organized and on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and